Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to download applications on your Lenovo laptop. And now let's get started. To begin downloading apps on your Lenovo laptop, you will need an active internet connection. First, click on the Start menu button located at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type Microsoft Store and then select the Microsoft Store application from the search results. Once the Microsoft Store is open, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side. Here you will find a wide variety of applications available for download. Most of these applications are free, though some may require a purchase. If you are looking for a specific application, such as WhatsApp, you can utilize the search box located at the top of the Microsoft Store window. Type the name of the application you are searching for example WhatsApp, and then press Enter or click the search icon. From the list of results, select the application you desire. You will then see a Get button, which is typically blue. Click this button to initiate the download process. Please allow a few moments for the application to download and install onto your computer. Once the download is complete, you can click the Open button directly from the applications page within the Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can return to your desktop, open the Start menu again, and search for the application you just downloaded. It should appear in your list of installed programs, allowing you to open it directly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.